Kuzuzumbala, Namaste. Good morning to all respected online viewers. Long live their majesties, long live our leaders, and long live our friendship. Welcome to this online yoga and Ayurveda session. Embassy of India, Timpu, ICCR's Nehru Wangchuk Cultural Center. I'm yoga teacher KV SSN Murthy here. So today also I would like to recite the same very important mantra chanting from the Dhanvantari Stotraha. अमृत संजीवन धन्वंतरी स्तोत्रः यस्य अनुष्ठान मात्रेण मृत्युदूरत् पलायते अल्प मृत्युं चाप मृत्युं महात्पातानुपद्रवान् बिंदी बिंदी गदघ तश्चिरंजीवय जीवया. See here, alpa mrityu means here first of all these all kind of mantras directly triggering to the death, means the people who are chanting this mantra with devotion, even death also not coming nearer to us, then forget about the diseases and disorders. So today I would like to give a very important sloka regarding Ramayana and the history of the Rama and relevance of the Vedic culture and the Ramayana. वेद वेद्ये परम परे भंसिध्यात दशरथात्मजे वेद प्राच्येत सदा सदासि साक्षात रामायणात्मना. Means here Lord Sri Rama is nothing but the actually the actually the true color of Veda. So Veda and Rama not the different. These both are same, because whatever Vedic knowledge is saying that, so Rama has taken that form of Veda and he born in Treta Yuga to give teachings to the mankind. In this regard, we have very important mantra in the Ramayana. So this mantra also giving the health as well as spiritual upliftment. So that is Sri Rama Rama Rameti Rame Rame Manorame Sahasra Nama Tattulyam Rama Nama Varanane. Means whoever chanting Sri Ram, Sri Ram, Sri Ram, so inside they will get a positive energy, positive change in health and the mind and the mood, as well as even we can conquer, we can challenging deaths also, we can challenging any heights also. And we have another very important sloka regarding Lord Anjanaya. Lord Anjanaya again is a Sri Rama's assistant, but for us he is a very greatest yogi. He is a siddhi also. Anjaneyam Mahaviram Brahma Vishnu Sivatmakam Tarunarka Prabham Santam Ramadutam Pranamamyaham. So it is also greatest attribution to the yogi Anjaneya, Lord Sri Anjanaya. So coming to our Ayurveda workshop. So today also I would like to give a important simple home yoga, home Ayurveda remedies with the lasun. So this is very simple technique. Everyone homes have this simple lasun, garlic. So garlic paste and hot milk, or garlic paste or and hot water, and mix it properly and drink early morning and in the evening also. So this is also good for the removing kidney stones or even get rid of the kidney stones. Today's our next preparation is, so this is dried basil leaf, tulsi leaves powder available in markets. So take tulsi leaves and just add 10 grams of tulsi leaves in a glass of water. Then after that, and this is jeera, just jeera powder, just cumin seed powder, and take this cumin seed powder half teaspoon or like around 15 grams, right. And this is what we call crystal sugar mishri, and take this mishri also like 2 or 3 big crystals, right. So all together mix, and after that boil for at least 5 minutes time. Then take this solution early morning. This is also early morning solution to create good health inside the abdomen as well as the kidneys health also. So today's our next preparation is very simple and effective remedy. Take hot water early morning, take hot water, add 1/2 of lemon, 1/2 of lemon, and add 10 grams of olive oil, 10 grams of olive oil. This is also very simple and effective remedy for the abdominal health. Hot water, lemon and olive oil. Then second thing is, today's our last important and wonder preparation is called amla, Indian gooseberry powder. And take this powder like 10 grams to 15 grams and in a glass of hot water. Then on top of that add honey. So this is also very simple home remedy to create good health inside the abdomen. All right, enough. Then leave this preparation for 5 minutes for soaking. Then after that, take this preparation. See, very simple and very effective home remedies we have in Ayurveda to create good health, not even for the physical body, for the for the mood making also, for the mind also. We have good foods in coming days. We will see astro diets, we will see mind diets, we will see spiritual practices diets, everything. So coming to our yoga workshops today also, I would like to give a very simple and effective yoga exercises which can be performed by everyone by using a simple chair. So for this, according to your body weight, you can use like one chair or two chairs. Okay, just take a long, deep, slow inhalation and exhalation. So today, before our starting our chair exercise, let's finish our sun salutations. Long, deep inhalation and exhalations. Om Hram Hrim Hrum Hraim Hraum Raha Mitra Ravi Surya Bhanu Kagapusna Hiranya Garbha Maricha Aditya Savitra Arka Bhaskaraya Namaha. Then slowly open your both the arms forward, lift your both the arms up. From there, slightly put a back bend. Then very slowly bend the body completely forward. From there, right leg must be your back leg, Aswa Sanchalanasana. And both the legs back, Dandasana. And completely press the body down to the floor. And lift the body up as a lifted head cobra posture. And mountain triangular posture. And right leg must be your forward leg. Left leg also your forward leg. Then very slowly lift your both the arms up. And very slowly relax from the postures, relaxations, and lift your both the arms up, wide your arms, and turn your arms down towards the thighs. Relaxation, long and slow and deep inhalation and exhalation. And coming to our simple yoga exercises. So this is for all. Alright. So yesterday and day before yesterday we saw Vakrasana styles. So today also we are seeing the same Vakrasana styles by using a simple chair. First, rest your body back. Take a long, deep, slow inhalation and exhalation. And fold your right leg. Then this time, keep your left hand on the outside of the right knee. Then catch your right side plastic handle with the left hand. And now turn the body completely back and stay for a while. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then very slowly release the posture and relaxations. Enough. Come back. Long and deep, slow inhalation and exhalation. Opposite side, same thing. Change your leg style. Then same thing. Fold your leg. Then completely turn your knee inside towards the abdomen. Open your right arm outside of your left knee. Then from there, press your knee completely towards the abdomen and catch your left side plastic handle with the right arm to make yourself tight in the posture. Now completely turn the head back and stay 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then relaxation. Enough. Come back. Again, very slowly, deep, long inhalation and exhalation. Okay, now coming to Mandukasana variation. Come forward from the chair on the forward edge of the chair. So both the legs together and both the legs inside also. Close your fist with the thumb outside and place them at your lower abs. And here, without any inconvenience or without any jerk, with very slowly and conveniently bend the body forward with extra press at your lower abdomen, and as long as possible completely press and stay now. 1, 2, 3, 4, and enough. Then very slowly release the posture, relaxations. Enough. Long, slow, deep inhalation and exhalation. Similar exercise, close your one fist, second arm as a wrap, like a volleyball hand style. And now try to fix that knot around your lower abs. And here completely stretch your chest up. From there, very slowly bend the body forward, press, keep press down, and stay 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Again, very slowly come back. Release the posture, relaxation. Again, long, deep, slow inhalation and exhalation. So to fix one counter posture because of this forward bend, just lock your chair, turn your shoulders back and completely lift your chin up throughout the practice. Keep pull yourself back and lift your chin, press your neck for a simple above back bend. One and two and relaxation. Enough, come back. Again, long and slow and deep inhalation and exhalation. Okay, our next exercise will be very simple and effective practices of Pavana Muktasan or abdomen pressing posture. Slightly get back on the chair. Fold your right leg. Very simple. Just hug your leg or tight your arms outside of your leg to press the abdomen. Keep your body straight without holding the breath. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then very slowly release the posture and relax from the posture. Very quick practices, okay? So no need to stay in longer time in the posture. You can finish your yoga exercises in just 10 minutes also, but only thing is please coordinate your valuable time before going to offices or after coming from the your work, especially in the evenings. Then opposite side, same thing, change your leg and just interlock your elbows and keep a press on the abs and stay for a while. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then very slowly rest your hands and rest from the posture, relaxation. Again, long, slow, deep inhalation and exhalation. So today we saw this very simple and effective, these three postures, and our next exercise on the breathe in and breathe out pranayam practices. So here also keep your body straight and keep comfortable in any surface, like on any surface. Sit on the chair or bed or on the floor or any soft surface also. Okay, long, slow and deep inhalation and exhalation. Right, once. So yesterday also we saw Kapalabhati fast strokes, as well as next exercise is Anulom Vilom also we did yesterday. Today also we are doing the same exercise. First Kapalabhati. I am doing fast stroke, but if you have any giddiness issues or high blood pressure or heart issues or any other issues in the head, don't follow fast. Please follow slow or avoid training. Please take advice from your teacher, yoga teacher. So keep your body straight. And for your awareness, put your right arm on the abdomen. So I'm giving fast strokes here in Kapalabhati. Kriya, this is Kriya Abhyas. Starts. Completely deep breathe out. Again, deep, slow inhalation, regular breathe in and breathe out. Again, regular breathe in and slowly breathe out. Then regular breathe in, again breathe out. So second time also I'm doing the same fast strokes. Kapalabhati is like many people consider it as a pranayam, but it actually Kriya Abhyas, cleaning technique. Now starting. Then long, deep, slow inhalation and exhalation. So while doing these fast strokes, anyone can experience that somewhat giddiness or somewhat throwing sensation. Immediately close your eyes. Do not drink water immediately, but close your eyes and observe your breath. You will be all right. Okay, now coming to last pranayam exercise, Anulom Vilom pranayam. This is also very important pranayam to give you a proper answer for the people who are having extra stress, as well as this is also good practice for the kidney health, as well as abdominal health, as well as regular lungs health. So which is important. Lungs health is very important to give more good health to the all vital organs in the body. And now coming to our left inhalation and completely right inhalation. Right inhalation, left exhalation, left inhalation, right exhalation, Right inhalation, alternate nostril breathe out, and left inhalation, right breathe out, right breathe in, and left breathe out. Right. Take a long, deep, slow inhalation and exhalation. In the afternoons also, if you have time or please take out some time to do yoga nidra abhyas or nidra yoga abhyas, somewhat power nap technique, as well as in the evening after finishing your houseworks, please do some practices for your like a better health. So please remember, we are doing these yoga exercises not for the purpose of like only material health or material pleasures, but we have another journey, very big journey, spiritual journey. So for that we have good sloka like what we know that Om Keshavaya Swaha, Om Narayanaya Swaha, Om Madhavaya Swaha, Om Adya Samadhi Tatpala Siddhyartham Asana Purvakan Pranayamadiyan Karishye. So this is important sloka telling that we are not doing the pranayam, this yoga exercise, not only for the material health, it's also for spiritual health. Okay, thanking you all to giving me this opportunity for today. Tomorrow also at the same time we are meeting. So all of you take care of yourself, do yoga, and thank you all.